The residents of Malki, that include the Seng Samla Malki, HNYF, the HYC, the KSU and others, under the banner of Kasur Erngiu Unong Malki, had met at the State Central Library premises on 30th August 2021 to lend their support to the people of Maulai in their fight for justice to the death of Chesterfield Thangkheu. Speaking as spokesperson of the people of Malki, Junstar Kharbuli informed press persons that it has given a week's time to the government to solve the issue and to suspend police officials involved into the killing of the former General Secretary of the HNLC. Kharbuli added that should the government fail to fulfill the demands of the people, Kasur Erngiu Unong Malki would organize a rally in the area after 6 September 2021 to protest against the lackadaisical and adamant attitude of the state government towards the genuine demands of the Khasi and Jaintia people.
Kalakta ya kari ba iya cumi khamtam yu nong Maulai wang latip pat ba mta bujukhat sur nong Maulai ngiru hni da ka jing ye da ka jing tali da ka jing long kawai ila jer teng da ka sur Erngiu Unong Malki hakaba kum kadak tong ka jing kesan kum kadak trong kajing ngolem ya kayin kesem dengan ibah syai pat kum kadak banya macaprang ngila nakaliang jungiru ngila sim kawai garai ban pinsngau syaka sarkar bahkan nundai ban chimenti kum tu katu samla ba e jungi na pok Maulai kila kiwen namta ka bahak met snong Maulai namta ka bahak met kari ba e jungi kari meglaya Andrei kapasusi pada ngi bakam dan kanu kata kajing pensnobha yang ngi kom upat nam snong beglea ngiru ngi kesan ni kasur Maulai bat ngi wan hang ni bat penpau ba lada ka sarkar hi kashmenti be kom ni kam ai kanu no ka jubab ka pensnobha ngi hapok siteu kata ndeu tarik ngiru ngin sa penyat dekat rali hal ni pok snong Malki te ngi kom ka kanhun ngi pen smau shi ka sur Maulai bakan omdai ban snong kemen sim ngiru ki samla nasor shalong ngi dan angkat bat phi ngi jai kesan bat phi bat ngin bu jendoi hiru oblai trai kendra un sandur un penwandur un pensau thu un ta e kinong yalam chong ka sarkar ba e chengi bakin kongo la ni bakin wan ra ek ta rai ka ben pensau tonat lem yengi baro